students, many of you are facing problem in creating PDF using Doc Scanner. How we are going to do it? First of all, download Doc Scanner, white and blue icon from Google Play Store. I have already downloaded. You can see Doc Scanner at the top of the page. Now I will click on Doc Scanner. You can see there are so many already clicked images in my app. I am clicking a new picture. Here you can see a camera icon below the screen. Use that icon. Open camera and click any picture. I am clicking this picture. After clicking it, here two small icons are given at left and right, cross and right. Cross means if you want to delete it, the picture is wrong. Right means now you have editing option. I am clicking on right sign. From here I will set my page. I have to set my page properly. Now these dots are given, just drag and the icons at set the page setting. Do the page setting properly so that page is visible. Then click on right sign. Now from here you can rotate the page left or right, clockwise or anti-clockwise. From above the screen there are two options, arrow signs are given. Back arrow is given to go back. You are not satisfied with the page, and right sign if the page is okay. Below there are some settings for brightness. Then my brightness is okay, so I'm not setting it. Select right sign above the screen. You can see now your page is in the list. Now select all those pages for which you want to create PDF. Like I'm selecting this and this. Okay, I have selected 6 pages. Now where 6 selected is written, after that a PDF sign is given. Click on PDF sign. You can see a PDF is created and it is asking to open with which app. I am selecting a Drive PDF Viewer. From Drive PDF Viewer you can view the file, PDF file. It will take a little bit time to open all the pages. You can see I have 6 pages in this PDF. Then there are 3 dots given on the right side of the screen. Just select that 3 dots. Click on downloads. Your file is downloading. Now my file is downloaded. How to check? Open File Manager. After opening, click on downloads. The list is getting refreshing. Just wait for 2 minutes. Till the list is updated, you have to wait, or you can go back and again open the download folder. Before uploading, always check your see. My new PDF has been listed in the first icon is document 1603597434608. You can rename it by selecting it. More, rename, answer 1. Okay, now you can upload this PDF in your Google form. When upload option is given in Google form, and you have to select files. From there you can select this PDF. In this way you can create PDF and upload it in Google form. So try, students. If there is any issue, just ask me. Okay, thank you.